Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video, we are going to do a head loop for the gentleman. Yes, and ladies, you're just following along, looking nice, and we're going to go through this from an open position from this angle. Starting with two-hand hold. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. You end up in a closed position after that, nice and easy. Now remember, ladies, you want to let him let you go. You don't let him go. Cool? That's the good thing about it is that you'll notice as Monica and I go through this, we're also not looking down and want to butt heads. Cool? All right, just a little hint there. Take it from this angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. All right, let's do this with my back to you this time. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Lovely. All right. Now from this angle, let's slide over to the tab. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. All right. So there you have it. 4 different angles. Now I want you to go practice, practice, practice. Need more time with the video? Go back with the private lesson style and get a lot more information on that, okay? So go practice and then come on back for the next pattern.